Terrence. If you're interested in turning a $3 one-time payment into a $300 a day profit, then this is all you have to do. Just basically go through this website and it will tell you everything you need to know and give you a perfect layout or examples of, let's say that you do 5 per day, that's $15 a day, and that's $450 extra monthly income. And this is basically a done for you website for $3. There's $3 one-time payment and no hosting fees or anything. Once you pay for it, the website is always up and running. It never goes down. So you pay, you log into your back office, and you basically connect it to your PayPal account, and you get paid $3 per transaction or whatever. And if you don't see, hello YouTube world, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop hot content like this, and stay tuned for the next video.